Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting episode of Call with Maya, the podcast where we explore technology, innovation and ideas shaping the future. I am your host and today we are discussing one of the most fascinating technologies transforming our world, augmented reality, also known as AR. Have you ever used phone filter that place virtual object on your face or played games where digital characters appear in the real world? That is augmented reality. Let's connect with Maya to explore how AR is changing our lives and what the future holds.
Hey there. What's up?
How are you?
Did you say audio or are you having audio issues?
How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Uh,
Ready to dive into whatever's on your mind today?
yes. We are in a podcast, and our today's topic is exploring the future of augmented reality. I mean AR. Are you ready?
What are you thinking about exploring today?
So, what exactly is augmented reality? What exactly is augmented reality?
Augmented reality is basically layering digital information onto your view of the
ये
real
मुझे
world.
बताइए कि ये क्या है?
Instead of blocking everything out like virtual reality, AR keeps your
Augmented
surroundings
reality.
visible while adding computer generated images or data on top of them.
यही वो AI
Your
जो है ना
phone's
इसे कहते
camera is usually the lens. Pokemon Go is the classic example, but imagine directions showing right on the street in front of you, or trying on
हैं।
clothes from an
जन
online store without actually getting dressed. Make sense?
So it does not replace reality; it enhances it.
Exactly. That's the key difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. VR creates an entirely separate world, while AR adds layers onto the one you already see around you.
Uh, that make AR easier to use in daily life. So next question: how does AR actually work?
I think you're asking how augmented reality actually works, or maybe Eva? Can you clarify what you meant?
Sorry, I don't understand you. Please repeat. Maya, please repeat. What are you asking?
I wasn't sure if you were asking about AR or about something named Eva.
Yes,
I meant, are you
augmented
asking?
reality. Let's answer me. How does AR actually work?
So you want to know how augmented reality actually works, the technology behind it, right?
Yes.
Right. So AR uses a few different tech pieces working together. There's your camera to see the real world, then software like computer vision that figures out where surfaces and objects are in your view. It can also track movement, so the digital stuff stays anchored correctly. Then there's the display, usually your phone or glasses, to show you everything. Different types of AR exist. Some use markers like QR codes to trigger effects. Others are markerless and rely entirely on sensors. What specifically about the mechanics are you curious about?
Yes, how can AR transform education?
I'm not catching that clearly. Could you repeat what you said about the 15-year platform in China?
How can AR transform education?
Oh, okay. So you're working on family education? Is AR potentially relevant for what you're doing in that field?
Uh, my question: how can AR transform education?
AR can really transform education in some cool ways. Think about making history come alive. Kids could point their tablet at a textbook and see a 3D model of the pyramids pop up. Or for anatomy lessons, they could virtually dissect a heart without actually using scalpels. Even field trips become accessible when you can virtually walk through museums or ancient ruins. The interactive and visual nature of AR could make complex topics easier to grasp and more engaging for students. It's about learning by doing, not just reading. Does that align with what you're thinking for family education?
You mean that can make learning easier for students?
Easier and more engaging. But it's not just about simplifying. AR taps into different ways of learning. Some people learn best by reading, others by hearing, but tons of people learn by doing. AR lets you experience things visually and interactively, which works for a lot of different minds.
Okay,
So it's not just easier.
what about healthcare? How is AR helping doctors and patients?
You're asking how AR can help patients in the hospital, right?
Yes.
AR is making waves in healthcare. Doctors can use it to visualize MRI and CT scans as 3D projections during surgery, which means more precision and less invasive procedures. For patients, it can help with pain management. There are AR games that distract kids during uncomfortable treatments or apps that help with physical therapy exercises. AR can also help patients understand their conditions better by showing them what's happening inside their bodies in visual terms. And pharmacies are exploring AR to let you see exactly how to use inhalers or administer medication through step-by-step guides right on your phone.
Oh, that's very, 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 very good answer. Now tell me if that can improve medical accuracy and training.
Yeah, definitely. For training, surgeons can practice complex procedures over and over without risk to patients. They can layer AR over mannequins or even cadavers for simulated surgery. Accuracy gets a boost because surgeons can see exactly what they're doing in real time during procedures, even things hidden beneath skin or tissue. And the strength part comes from reducing doctor fatigue. They're less exhausted if procedures go smoothly and are properly planned with AR
Is
assistance.
Mr. for separate?
Medical students can also build stronger clinical skills by practicing different diagnoses and interventions in AR simulations.
How are businesses using AR?
I don't personally use AR. I don't have eyes to see through or hands to hold a phone, but I can access and process information about how people use it and describe AR technology. What's making you curious about my personal use case?
266. That improves customer experience. Is that right?
You're shifting to customer experience now? Yeah, AR is huge for that.
No,
Let's
no.
say you're looking at furniture online. With AR, you can virtually place a sofa in your living room to see if it fits before you buy it. For retail, AR trials let you virtually try on clothes or makeup. It's all about letting customers try before they buy, making shopping less risky and more personalized. Brands are also using AR filters to create interactive experiences for customers on social media, which builds engagement and memorability.
Okay, every technology has challenges. What are AR risks?
And it's a real life, and I'm not catching everything clearly. Could you repeat what you were saying about healing in real life?
Every technology has challenges. What are AR risks?
Every tech has drawbacks, right? For AR, one challenge is the hardware. Headsets can be bulky or expensive, making mass adoption difficult. There's also the privacy concern with cameras constantly mapping your surroundings. People worry about data collection. And on the content side, creating high quality AR experiences takes serious development work, so there's a content gap. Finally, the tech. I'm
Thank
glad we're on the same
you.
page.
Thank you for joining today's episode of Call with Maya. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to follow, share, and stay connected for more conversation about future technology and innovation. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you also Maya. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.